Okay, yeah, this is set theory part 3, where we are going to be looking at what problems in set theory. Look at these two questions on the board. If there are 50 students in a class and 30 like rice, while 25 like beans, find the number of students that like both food, rice only, beans only one food. Now let's do this together. Now solution to the number 1. Now draw your Venn diagram. So you know they said there are 50 students in a class, so the 50 will be here, and 30 like rice. So let's say this place is for rice, 30, and 25 like beans. Let's say this is beans, 25. Do you see that? So now those that like both will be X. Let's call it X. That means these people like rice, they also like beans, but we don't know the number. So for you to be able to get this place, you have to subtract this from this, so that it will be 30 minus X. For you to get this place, you have to subtract this from this. That will be 25 minus X. You know, when you have an orange, and the orange is 30, and you cut out 5, the remaining part is 30 minus 5. So let's assume this 5 is X. That's why we are subtracting it. You see that? So let's add this together and equate it. So I'm going to have 30 minus X plus X, this 30 minus X plus this X plus 25 minus X. So equals 50. So minus X cancel plus X. 30 plus 25 is 55. Minus X equals 50. So with this now, I can now bring this 55 to this other side. So I'll be left with minus X equals 50 minus 55. So minus X equals minus 5. Because 50 minus 55 is minus 5. Minus can take care of minus. So your X is 5. So those that like only both food, they are 5. So this X is 5. You know, if you put the 5 here, 30 minus 5 will be what? 25. If you put the 5 here, 25 minus 5 is 20. So those that like rice are 30. Those that like rice only are 25. Those that like both food are 5. Those that like beans are 25. Those that like beans only are 20. So like this 25 is rice only. That's after you have deducted. This one is beans only. Beans is different from beans only. You have to get that. Okay, so having said that, so our Roman figure 1, the answer is 5. Those that like both food. Then Roman figure 2, rice only. So you've gotten it like that. Rice only is what? 25. Then Roman figure 3, beans only. Beans only is 20. And then Roman figure 4, only one food. Only one food means that I will add the two food together. That is 25 plus 20. That's what? 45. Now this means that 25 people like only one food, which is rice. Then 20 people like only one food, which is beans. So altogether you have 45. Okay. Let's do the second solution. The second solution. That's number 2 now. Number 2. Look at the number 2 question. If there are 100 students in a class, 40 took biology, 35 took maths, 33 took Greek, 10 took biology and maths, while 15 took biology and Agric, and 8 took maths and Agric. Find the number of students that took 1, all the 3 subjects, 2, only 2 subjects, 3, only 1 subject. Let's do this together. Now the first thing, draw your Venn diagram, and then you are going to have 3 circles. Why? Because we are talking about 3 subjects. The first subject is biology. You can represent that with B. The second subject is maths. You can represent that with M. The third subject is are Greek, you can represent that with A. So in the question, there are 100 in total, so you put that outside here. Okay, why am I having 3 Venn diagram? Because it's 3 subjects I'm looking at. Okay, now 35 took maths, 40 took biology. So for biology you have 40, and 35 took maths. For maths 35, then 33 took Greek, then 33, like this. You see that? "33 took Greek." You see that? So now, having said this, I will now say that the next thing is now 10 took biology and maths. You know, this is biology and this is maths. 10, you put it outside. Why are you putting it outside? Because it is biology and maths. Inside is biology and maths only. So this inside, I won't put it there because it is biology and maths only. So it will be outside. This 40, I didn't put it here because it is not biology only. They just say biology. So they are different. Now, then, 15 took biology and Greek. 15 took biology and Greek. You put 15 here. And then 8 took maths and Greek. Maths and Greek, 8. So you see that? And then those that took everything represent it by X. So if you do that, if you want to get this place now, it will be 10 minus X. If you want to get this place, it will be 8 minus X. This 8 minus X. If you want to get this place, it will be 15 minus X. So with this now, I can say, let me call this place P, Q, and R. I don't know it. I want to find it. Now look at the way I'm going to do it. Now I'm going to say that, look at the circle of biology. Look at the circle of biology. The circle of biology is 40. The total circle is 40. So 40 is equal to everything that is inside the circle of biology, which is P plus 10 minus X plus X plus 15 minus X. If you trace the circle, P, 10 minus X, X, 15 minus X, they are all in the circle of biology, which is 40. That's what I did. So with this now, you can say 40 is equal to P plus, minus X can cancel plus X. So I'll be left with 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 minus X. So with this now, I can bring these two here. So I'm going to have 40 minus 25 plus X equals P. You see that? I brought plus 25 here. It changed to minus 25. Brought minus X plus X. 40 minus 25 is 15 plus X equals P. That means anywhere I see P, my P is 15 plus X. Okay? Let's do the same thing for the circle of maths. If you trace the circle of maths, the whole of the circle is 35. So I can say 35 is equal to 10 minus Q plus 10 minus X plus X plus 8 minus X. So 35 equals to minus X will cancel plus X. 10 plus 8 is 18. So Q plus 18 minus X. Bring these two here. So you have 35 minus 18 plus X equals Q. So your Q will now be 35. If you remove, are we sure? If you remove 10 from 35, you have 25. Then remove 8, you have 17. I hope I'm correct. 17. So your Q is 17 plus X. Is 35 minus 18 is 17 plus this X. So the last one, which is the circle of our Greek. So the circle of our Greek is 33. So I have 33 equals everything inside the circle. R plus 15 minus x plus x plus 8 minus x. So minus x cancel plus x. So 33 equals r. 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 minus x. Now if you bring the 2 to this side, you are going to have 33 minus 23 plus x equals r. That is plus 23 coming to this side will be minus 23. Minus x coming to this side will be plus x. So 33 minus 23 is 10 plus x equals r. So our 10 plus x equals r. So now I can now, let me clean this to be able to finish up that so that I won't have to clean the question. Now to do this, I'm now going to say that drawing the Venn diagram again. Now this is what I'm going to have. So I have biology, maths, and Greek. So for the P now, for P from here, I have 15 plus x in this place. And this place, you know I have 10 minus x. In this place, I have 15 minus x. I have x here. In this place, I have 8 minus x. In this r, if you look at it, my r is 10 plus x. So bring it, 10 plus x. Then, at this place, which is my q is 17 plus x. 17 plus x. So you see that? So now, I will add everything inside the circle together. I don't need 15, 10, 80, 33, 35, 40. I don't need them anymore. I'm interested in the figures in the circle. So with this, I'm now going to have 15 plus x plus 10 minus x plus 17 plus x plus 15 minus x. So this 15 plus x, 10 minus x, 17 plus x, then x, 15 minus x, plus 8 minus x, then plus 10 plus x, everything is equal to 100, which is the total number here. So with this now, I can say that with this, minus plus x will cancel minus x. Now, this plus x will also cancel this minus x. Then this plus x will also cancel this minus x. You see that? I circle them out. So they are out like that. So what are you left with? 15 plus 10 plus 17 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus x equals 100. You see that? 15 plus 10 plus 17 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus x equals 100. So let's add this together. 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 17 is, you have 2 here, 42. Then plus 15, you have 57 plus 18, you have 5, this is 6, 7, you have 75. So if you add all of this together, you have 75 plus x equals 100. So if you have 75 plus x equals 100, so here you are going to have your x to be equal to 100 minus 75. You bring this 75 to this side. So your x equals to 100 minus 75. What was that? 25. Okay. Now, with this, we have been able to treat for 3 subjects. Now, the place that I clean, why I clean the place is because looking at this particular question, by the time you substitute 25 there as value of x, all these other ones will not exist. And so this is what you need to know about set theory. With this, we have come to the end of set theory.